Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video from my channel Interactive Education, running for the best education possible from the student to the student for a better experience. And today we're going to continue the NCERT solutions of the chapter 8 of class 10 mathematics, Introduction to Trigonometry. Again, a very important chapter for the upcoming board examination and also for future mathematical studies. So we're looking at exercise 8.4 at page number 194, and we're going to continue with the solutions for question number 5, which is one of the most important questions in this chapter, that is proving of various identities. And we are going to continue with the fourth one. I'm going to follow up from the previous video, which had completed till part 3 of the same question. If you have not looked it up, please look it up on the channel, like, subscribe, and do share for more. So without further ado, let's get on with the question. It's question number 5, part 4, which where we need to prove various identities. So fourth part is like this: 1 plus sec a by sec a is equal to sine square a by 1 minus cos a. Now how should we approach this question, right? Have a look at the LHS and RHS both. In the LHS we have which trigonometric function? Only secant, only sec function, right? And on the RHS we have sine function and cos function both, right? Now, is there a way we can convert sec to sine? No, there is no direct way in which we can convert sec to sine, right? We can only write that sec a as 1 by cos a. That's it. We can't do anything more, right? So how should we approach this question to prove that the LHS is equal to RHS? Clear? So since the trigonometric functions don't have any direct relation in the RHS and LHS, in RHS you have sine and cos, but in sec you have on the LHS you only have sec, which can be directly converted only to cos. Clear? So what we will be doing is that we will be solving this question. This is one of those rare cases, okay? We will be solving this question by simplifying the LHS and RHS separately. And this is a rare case, okay? It's not always the case. In about 95% cases, you need to prove using LHS only. You should simplify the LHS to get the RHS. But in certain cases like this, where it is not possible to directly convert the LHS into RHS, we should simplify both separately. But you should be looking at the question to as much extent as you can to convert the LHS to RHS, clear, and not to simplify the RHS. So for now, in this question, we will be simplifying both separately. If you look at the LHS, it is 1 plus sec a by sec a, right? Now if you separate this, this will be 1 by sec a plus sec a by sec a, right? So this is 1 by sec a is what? Cos a, and sec a by sec a is 1. That's it. Take this as equation 1. Clear? Now let's look at the RHS. In the RHS we have sine square a by 1 minus cos a, right? Now you know that sine square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Clear? Now this is of the form a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square a. So this is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a gets cancelled. You directly get 1 plus cos a. Equation 2. Now if you look at 1 and 2, you see that both the LHS and RHS yield the same result. LHS is also cos a plus 1 and RHS is also cos a plus 1 or 1 plus cos a. Now since 1 and 2 are equal, it implies LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Clear? So this is one of the rare cases where you need to prove, where you need to simplify the LHS and RHS separately. But in 95% cases, in most cases, you should solve only the LHS to get the RHS. Clear? You should try as much as you can. If you can't, then only go for this method. Clear? Fine. Now let's move to part 5 of the same question. Part 5 is like this. Here we have part 5. So let's divide these two. Part 5, cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. This is a very, very important question and a bit tricky also. Clear? Because in the question in NCERT, it says we need to use the identity cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. It has been clearly said that in NCERT, textbook, it has been clearly stated in this question that we need to use this identity. Why it's been specially stated is because you can also use sine square a plus cos square a equals 1 to get this answer. Clear? But that will be a different approach. But if you want to use this identity, the approach is different. So we are going to go as per NCERT, which states that we have to use this identity. Clear? For that, look into the LHS. In the LHS, we have cos A minus sine A plus 1 by cos A plus sine A plus sine A minus 1. Now you know that cos A can be written as 1 by sec A. Oh, let's not do that. Let us write this in terms of cosecant cot. Let us write this in terms of cosecant cot. For that, we will be dividing both the numerator and denominator by sine A. So dividing by sine A, we get cos A by sine A, which is cot A, minus sine A by sine A, which is 1, plus 1 by sine A, which is cosec A, divided by cos A by sine A, which is again cot A, plus sine A by cos A, sine A by sine A, which is 1 again, minus 1 by sine A, which is again cosec A. So we got the trigonometric functions we need on the RHS. So that's one advantage, right? Now let us solve further. Let us try to rearrange the terms. Clear? Let us try to rearrange the terms. So how can you rearrange these terms? Try to think a bit. How can you rearrange these terms? Yes, cot A, you can write this as cot A minus 1 minus cosec A, right? Divided by, and if you open the bracket, you will get this, divided by cot A plus, put bracket, 1 minus cosec A. So you can see we have the same terms on both numerator and denominator, but separated by different signs. Clear? Separated by different signs. So how will we be solving this now? Cot A minus, now multiply both numerator and denominator by cot A minus 1 minus cosec A. Clear? So divide and multiply by cot A minus 1 minus cosec A. So multiplying that, doing that, we get cot A minus 1 minus cosec A whole squared divided by A minus B into A plus B formula. So cot square A minus 1 minus cosec A. This is one whole term. Clear? This bracket is one term whole squared. Clear? So now open the brackets on both numerator and denominator. So you get cot square A plus 1 minus cosec A whole square. Clear? Minus 2 cot A into 1 minus cosec A. Okay, divided by cot square A minus, open this bracket, 1 plus cosec square A minus 2 cosec A. Clear? And this is still in the bracket, not opened. This square has been opened. We've just squared it. So now open the square as well. You get cot square A plus 1 plus cosec square A minus 2 cosec A. Now open this bracket, minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cosec A divided by cot square A. Now open this bracket as well. So you get minus 1 minus cosec square A plus 2 cosec A. Clear? Now this is the simplification, but we will be taking some terms common, because what do we want at the end? We want cot A plus cosec A. So we will be taking things common and eliminating a few things. Now see here, cot square A plus 1 plus cosec square A minus 2 cosec A minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cosec A. Clear? So we will be writing 1 as cosec square A minus cot square A. Clear? Let's write 1 as cosec square A minus cot square A on both numerator and denominator. Clear? So we can get cot square A plus cosec square A minus cot square A plus cosec square A minus 2 cosec A minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cosec A. Right? Divided by, again similar thing on the denominator as well, cot square A minus cosec square A plus cot square A, because cosec square A minus cot square A, minus comes outside, so minus cosec square A plus cot square A, minus cosec square A plus 2 cosec A. And this has come from which identity? Simple. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So when this goes here, you get cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. So we've replaced 1 by cosec square A minus cot square A. Now a few things get cancelled here. This cot square A and this cot square A gets cancelled. Clear? What else? That's it here. And on the denominator, this okay, nothing really gets cancelled. Nothing really gets cancelled here, does it? Okay. It's fine. I don't think it should be a problem. 1 minus cosec square A plus cot square A. Okay, I don't think it's a problem. Let's see anyways. If needed, we'll do something. But for now, nothing is required. So let's take this cosec square A plus plus cosec square A. Right? So this becomes 2 cosec square A. Clear? Minus 2 cosec A minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cosec A. So we are reducing the number of terms, right? Gradually. Divided by cot square A plus cot square A becomes 2 cot square A minus 2 cosec square A plus 2 cosec A. Okay, maybe we did not need to expand it. Actually, we can leave it like this. I don't think we need to expand this. We can write this as cot square A minus 1 minus cosec square A plus 2 cosec. Actually, my dear children, just notice it from here. I've just put this back, right? I had expanded it there, here, but it's not required. We can keep it like this. Clear? Because we just have to take something common. You'll see how. Clear with that? Don't take anything common. We'll see if anything is required. We'll do it. Now, this can be written as 2 cosec A if we take common. We can write cosec A minus 1. Can I write that? If I'm taking from these two terms common. Then from here I can take 2 cot A common. And this becomes cosec A minus 1 again. So 2 cot A from here common becomes cosec, and from here common becomes minus 1. Clear? That's it. We are getting to it. Divided by, now this cot square A minus cosec square A. Cot square A minus cosec square A can be written as minus times cosec square A minus cot square A in the bracket. Right? Because if this minus comes out, you get minus cosec square A as here and cot square A, which is here. So I've taken minus out and written it like this, minus 1 plus 2 cosec A. Yes, now our work will be done. So now you can take cosec A minus 1 common from both of these. So you get cosec A minus 1 into 2 can come out from these two, right? Cosec A plus cot A. Clear? Divided by, this is 1 again. Cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Right? So you get minus 1 plus 2 cosec A. That's it. We got our answer. You see how? Wait. This is 2 into cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus cot A divided by, you can take 2 common here. So that becomes cosec A minus 1. Because minus 1 is minus 2. So take 2 common. Cosec A minus 1. That's it. These two terms are gone. What do we get? We get cosec A plus cot A. And if you see, this is nothing but your RHS. Cosec A plus cot A. Clear with this part? So you can have a look at the solution. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Dividing by sin A, we get cot A minus 1 plus cosec A by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Then we get cot A minus of 1 minus cosec A by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Then we are squaring both of them. So you're basically multiplying them with cot A minus whole 1 minus cosec A. And you can see how we've solved, simplified, and then reached the final answer. Clear? So I hope that's absolutely clear. Little tricky, little lengthy, you can see. But again, you need to get that logic. Once that's done, the simplification part is pretty simple. Clear? And let's look at the sixth one, last one for this video, right? Last question which I'm going to address in this video. That is root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. How to prove this? Simple. Have a look at the LHS, my dear. LHS is root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Clear? Clear with this? Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine A. Clear? So multiplying by 1 plus sine A on numerator and denominator, what do we get? We get root of 1 plus sine A whole square, clear, divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now this square gets cancelled with the root, so you get 1 plus sine A, and this is what? 1 minus sine square A. It is nothing but cos square A. And cos square A under the root will remain. But now cos square A root is nothing but what? Cos A. So 1 plus sine A by cos A. Now that's it. This can be written as 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. Now what is 1 plus cos A? Sec A. What is sine A by cos A? Tan A. That's it. This is nothing but your RHS, and you can see that sec A plus tan A. So you're clear with this part? Absolutely clear. I hope there's no kind of doubt left in these 3 questions. Clear? So with this, we come to the end of this video on the parts 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 8.4 question number 5. Any doubts are welcome in the comment section below. If there's anything which is not clear to you, they are most welcome in the comment section below. Do like and subscribe, share with your friends, family. Subscribe to the channel. If there's any comments and suggestions, most welcome in the comment section below. I'll be making the video on the next parts very soon. Thank you very much. Look forward to it. Stay healthy, stay smart, and do keep studying. Bye bye.